EACE 2.5K car video recorder. This innovative device, designed to function as a rearview mirror, is suitable for all vehicles equipped with mirrors. Packed with features and specifications that prioritize your safety, this recorder is a must-have for modern drivers. Rearview mirror installation suitable for all vehicle types with mirrors, ensuring a seamless integration that doesn't compromise your car's aesthetics. Navigate through settings and view recordings with ease on the expansive 12.0-inch touch-up screen, providing a clear and responsive interface. Equipped with a Huawei silicon chipset, guaranteeing smooth operation and efficient processing for optimal performance. Front camera with a 4MP sensor and 6 glass lens, featuring a 170-degree angle and f1.8 aperture. Rear camera with a 2MP sensor, 4 glass lens, 140-degree angle, and f2.0 aperture, capturing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Front camera records in stunning 25,601,440p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures at 19,201,080p at 30 fps. Capture crisp photos with a resolution of 12M. Utilizes the H.264 video code for efficient compression without compromising video quality. Small built-in battery for time and setting preservation. It's important to use the original power charger for continuous operation. G-sensor, cycle recording, parking monitor, time and data display, wide dynamic range, picture-in-picture display, automatic on-off, providing comprehensive functionality for various driving scenarios. Incorporates the Sony IMX335 sensor, night vision capabilities, 2560-1440p front camera with 1080p rear camera, and Wi-Fi connectivity for added convenience. The EACE 2.5K car video recorder is your reliable companion on the road, offering advanced features and specifications to ensure your safety and peace of mind. With a user-friendly interface, dual camera setup, and a range of essential features, this recorder sets a new standard for in-car surveillance. Upgrade your driving experience with EACE and enjoy the benefits of modern technology on every journey.